Today I will talk about door cards. I'm working on my Volkswagen Beetle 1957 project, and the problem is the last issue that I need to finish is interior, and in general I do not have full interior. I do not have original front door cards in good condition, and unfortunately so I have to build a new one, and I would like to make it as most possible period correct, to use same colors and so on. It's not an easy task, and this video will gonna be today about it. So here, as you can see, I already made a new door card. It's a special wood. This is protected, let's say, a little bit more from the moisture. It goes on a door side, and on this side I will put the foam and the artificial leather as a material. So if you wanna see, because on this video I'm not gonna show you the full process how to make this door card, and right here is the link where you can see, let's say, the first part, how I produce the door cards for the Beetle, and all information is right here. And in this video I will start from the second part, how to finish to the final product and install on the car. So in general, shortly, I would like to tell you which things you need. First of all, always wear the eye protection. So a second is gloves. And you will need scissors to cut the materials, stapler. Also I have such a set of cutters if I need, to cut some edges and so on. I have, of course, the pencil. I have staples, and I did small holes here already because I will need to use here this kind of nice metal stripe that it goes here. So first of all, what I want to say, how it's gonna be different. It's gonna be a little bit different because I am not putting any more pockets. When I do door cards for all my cars, for Beetles especially, I eliminate two things: the handle and the pockets. The passenger handle only goes, so because in general was no handle for the driver side. And let's begin. I will show you a little bit what I have here from this side, because just to understand what do you need. This kind of foam that it goes on that, and of course the material. It was very hard, but I found it. This is the exact color I need. I was looking through many different, like 50 examples how they should look like, because look, this is the old original. It's of course dirty, but let's say you see it. I think it matching colors almost, maybe identical, because it's very hard. I was going through many producers, because you cannot buy the new ones. So I think I matched the colors. We will see the final product, of course, later on the car. So first thing, of course, I will need to cut this material in half, and also this foam also in half, just to make sure that we have from both sides. And then just,
Baby, you
So usually, okay, so we have, as you can see, two materials. This is our door card, and I have to put first layer of the foam, and second is our material. Usually I'm using such a spray. This is a glue spray. A little bit for the beginning, you know, just to, oh, I don't know, so I still have it, but let's say just to spray. We have a bigger size. Later we can cut the corners. Is no problem, because usually you have to always have a little bit more material. Okay, so I can use a stamper. There is one thing that you should know. I also not sure now, because sometimes you have to remember, it depends on the thickness of the door card and material and everything. You should adjust the staples for the stample, because if they are too long, they're gonna go too deep, you know. That can be a problem. Okay, so let's try first. I just easy to put to see what's happening. Everything goes smooth. You can see here is the holes that I will cut out later, because now it's not so much important. The first thing is what is important now, just to make sure that everything goes smooth. Okay, as you can see, I am moving on. And next thing is, you know, that you will need to start working with corners. And this is what I told you before. This is why I have a cutters and I have a scissors. Also, you can use a smaller scissors, but here is important, because will be the hardest things to do, to do corners also, you know. Like this and so on, you have to cut and adjust. So the cutter, you have to cut the holes right here. As you can see, it's also, you know, and you cut all unnecessary materials. It's quite, you know, it's a long procedure, of course, so I will not gonna, you know, show you, because it's a lot of time. But also about the corners, the tip I wanna give you. You know, you start from right here. First thing what you do, okay, here is corner that I didn't done yet. You do like that, and you put first this one to leave these two. This is how to make it correctly. Look again. And later you play with these two. If you do all corners exactly what I'm showing you, you will have a similar nice corners. Because when you do first this one, later to do like that, oops, sorry, I touched the camera. So you do like that, and you can make it pretty much straight, nice corner. Look, we have, I think, pretty much nice corners. They are smooth. You know, the foam under. It's a very, very nice beginning. And some other tips. Look, you have to do also some things, because let's say here you will need to cut the holes for the door handle and the window opener. So I usually, you have to spray inside the little bit to spray glue, because when you will cut here the hole, the material, the intention can go out. So you need to keep it little bit, you see. The next thing, I don't know, I will try maybe now. It's time, let's say, to install this metal part. I will try to a little bit to make it more straight and so on. very slow and important because I have to put in holes that I did for this metal stripe, and usually when I do something like this and I film, not always everything goes according to plan. So okay, pretty much not so bad. Okay, this is not very straight, not very nice, but in general, you know, I'm building, you know, I'm trying to build period correct. Proceed with the door clips. At the moment I'm buying from Paruzzi. This video is not sponsorship, sadly, but because, you know, after the Brexit, all the good shops that I liked, I loved from UK, they are closed for me now because, you know, I have to pay this quite stupid expensive import taxes. So I buy from Netherlands. The good thing is that, you know, they ship me directly to Lithuania, and you know, it's not cost a lot, and they ship pretty much fast, so I am satisfied. So if you need to buy something for your classic Volkswagen, you can use this company. I really can say that everything goes smooth. So my dear friends, that's it for today. As you saw in this video, the door card already installed. It's left for me to build another one for the passenger side. So I hope you liked this video, you know, and also please comment. It's important. Please comment what you think, you know, and also please comment what you would like to see in future, what content regarding classic cars, restoration stuff, building and so on. I will try to do video about that and so on. Please subscribe my channel if you're not subscribing yet. Let me help me to grow. You know, I'm trying to improve about making videos and so on. YouTube is not an easy task, you know, and buying cars, selling cars, restoring cars, and doing YouTube. I'm doing it everything alone. So it's challenge and learning a lot. So, as always, you know, greetings from Vilnius, my friends, and see you next time. Ciao.